Alright guys and girls, so we've made it to the end of our first module, the end of day one of the marathon. So what have we learned so far? We've learned how to describe and express how we feel and what we think, right? So now we're going to combine the two. In this task, I want you to make a video where you tell us about your favorite place, maybe your favorite restaurant, your city, and fill it with colors and tastes. Make sure that we are able to feel this, right? We need detail. We need adjectives. We need to understand exactly what it is. I need to picture what you see. So, in this video, be as descriptive as possible using the collocations of senses and feelings and thoughts that we've already learned. You have to send this video to our chat group, okay, and share it with us. And leave a comment below just like we have. And of course, we'll send you feedback on that stuff. If you don't do this task, if you do not complete this task, you're failing at the marathon. And, well, that's not very good because we're trying to make progress in English, correct? So, do this task. If you don't do it, you could be removed from the marathon as far as I understand. So here's my example. My favorite place is in Michigan, my home state. The nature in my state is beautiful. It's amazing, especially in autumn. So in autumn, the Upper Peninsula where I live, it looks like a landscape of a painting. The colors of all the trees, the reds, the browns, the yellows, it's just such a vibrant, beautiful, beautiful place. While you're there, you feel like you're in a painting because it truly looks like a landscape, and it looks like the sea as well because Lake Michigan is a big lake near my house, and it's only a freshwater lake, but it looks like the sea, and the waves crashing on the beach, it sounds like the sea as well. It's gorgeous. It is amazing. I have no doubt that anybody who went to this part of the United States would come back with the same impressions as me. So, get to your task, record it, send it to our WhatsApp group, and we will see you tomorrow for day 2 of the marathon.